Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got another math problem here. Somebody on YouTube named Ashley Maynard came on and said, this would help a lot if I was doing this in class. What I'm doing is like y equals 7x plus 2, so I have to solve that. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. Whenever you say you're solving that, it's already pretty much reduced down into slope-intercept formula. Okay? So we've kind of got it where it needs to be as a formula. I'm assuming you, only thing I can think that you would do from here is plot it on a graph. So we draw our coordinate plane, that's our x, and that's our y-axis, okay? All right, now, whenever they give you the slope-intercept formula, they've essentially told you the slope, because it's y equals mx plus b. M is our slope, and b is our y-intercept. That's why we call it the slope-intercept, because it gives us a slope and the intercept. Okay, so let's solve some stuff. Okay, so if you want to plot this on a graph, you always start, first step is the B. Okay, put the B point on there, which is the, y-intercept. Okay, now what does it mean whenever it's the y-intercept? That's where, like say you get an interception in football. That means you cut somebody off and catch it whenever the ball is in line to go to that person. You've intercepted it, okay? An intersection in the road is where two roads cross. Essentially, you want to know where it's going to cross the y-axis. So all you do is you count up whatever that number is. Ours is a positive 2, so I go up 2, 1, 2. All right, so that would be a point right there, okay? So that's one of my points. This isn't anything. I just did that to, show you that I was going up 2, okay? Your y-intercept, whatever this is always going to be on this line at whatever that number is, okay? That's the point you start from. Usually, you start from the origin right there. We're not. Whenever we're plotting this line, we don't want to start from the origin because this line might not go through the origin. All right, our next point is based on the slope, which is not 7x. Kids forever, when I say, what's the slope? They go 7x. No, x and y in this equation are just where a coordinate that's on that line is located, okay? They will stay x and y. They chill there. Important numbers are the intercept and the slope. All right, this is 7. Now, second part, from B, count slope, okay? That's the best way I can say it. All right, now, so if you're going to do this, from that point, from where you put the y-intercept, not from the origin, from the y-intercept, you're going to count the slope, the rate of change, the rise over run, I guess is the best way to say it, from there, okay? Now, we know our slope is what? Dun, 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 7. Okay, now you're thinking, well, I can't do rise over run because there's no division line. What do you know is always underneath a whole number and doesn't change it? 1. 7 divided by 1 is still going to be 7, okay? You're not changing anything. So this is your slope. So our rise is 7, our run is 1. So from our point that we just did, we rise 7. That means we go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I did. And then we run how many? 1. We're done. Plot a point. That point is on that line. From there, you can go again. Up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Run 1. Run 1. You've got another point. Now, I usually like to get at least 3 points to make a straight line. Obviously, I didn't do a very good job because I don't have no graph paper. And if you're like, well, I'm running out of room going up, well, guess what? If you stick negatives on both of those, does that change what that looks like? No, because if I reduced it, I would lose the negatives. So you can go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1 right there. So I got another way to put it, and then you just cross a line that goes through all those, and hopefully it looks better than the one I just did. So that's how you would plot that point, Ashley. I hope that's really what it was asking. If not, let me know, and I'll try to work for you. Toodles.
Hey, Tyler here. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out tarveracademy.com.
Sweet. Check out the Facebook page if you want, my Twitter, and my other YouTube channel. Also, tarveracademy.com has full lessons of geometry that have me actually standing in front of a whiteboard. Also, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to this channel. I think it's up here, maybe, or down. No, it's down here. I lied. It's down here. If you'll just click subscribe and then, I don't know, go down to the bottom part where it says share and just tell your friends, say, yo, this dude will solve math problems for you. Maybe you're taking a test. What? Don't cheat. 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes starting now.